All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Will. So I got a new setup here for the living room. This is my living room iPad. This is gonna sit downstairs in the media section, little thing in my couch. Anyway, 32 gigs silver. This is on sale for $250 right now at Best Buy. And I didn't want to spend $100 on the Apple Pencil. So Logitech actually makes a pencil for the 6th gen only. This will only work with the 6th gen. Now, some advantages to this one that I like better than buying the Apple Pencil is that this has a female input. So no more of the silly hanging out of the back. I wouldn't even recommend a person buys the 1st gen iPad or Apple Pencil because it's still $100 pretty much, 120 in the new ones out. So this is only $69. To me, it looks better, it feels better, it's got a matte feel to it, and it works only, that's the disadvantage for this pencil, is that it works only with this 6th gen. So I've got the 32 gig, I cut the plastic already, and we are gonna pop it open. In here, same thing. Wow, that feels weird. This thing is kind of chunky, but same thing. You got your manuals and stuff that nobody ever reads. There's probably some Apple stickers in there. You got the charging brick and the old lightning cable. So we're gonna peel this off. Ooh, that was gratifying. Gratifying. And we'll take a look around the hardware here. So you've got a microphone here, and then you've got a microphone on the top, and you've got a headphone jack, you got a power button, you've got the 8 megapixel camera that only shoots in 1080p, you got volume rocker here, speaker down there, and that's it. And you got the lightning cable there, and you got the famous home button. So we'll get this powered on because I know Apple always ships with a little bit of juice. And I want to demo this Apple Pencil for you guys, because, or this Logitech Pencil, because it only works with this iPad. And that could be a failure or it could be a good thing. So I'm gonna get this set up and I'll be right back and show you how this pencil works. All right, guys, so I'm doing a restore here from my other iPad. And here's the paperwork that you get here. It tells you to charge it up, and then you turn your camera on and hold it over this. So let's see if I can get this correctly. Let's see what happens here.
Oh Lord. Oh, cancel that.
Open Logitech in Safari. There we go. So this should open up. There we go. And it just tells you this is for support and everything. But let's power this on here and see what happens. Okay, it's on. Yeah, and you got touch sensitivity. So that's good. Very nice. So let me open up a fresh note here. Welcome to Notes. All right. So you obviously have all these different, okay. Draw only with Apple Pencil, okay. I can write everything. And it's actually pretty accurate, man. You don't even need an Apple Pencil. Very nice. Yeah, this is actually really nice. Even though it said draw only with Apple Pencil, you clearly can do things with this. And that's one of the huge pluses to getting this over the Apple Pencil. The Apple Pencil does have some perks, obviously, because it's an Apple product. But this pen right here is the only pen. No, it's doing a restore. This pen, this has the A10 Fusion chip, by the way. It says the A10 Fusion chip with 2 gigs of RAM, and it's still got that same resolution of 1536 by 2048. So you're getting a nice little setup here for $250. For $300, you could have gotten this for Black Friday and have a nice iPad setup here. This is really, really nice, man. I'm really liking that I have pen support now, and I didn't break the bank by spending $100+ on here. Now I'm pretty sure there's like a Logitech app that I can install for like the crayon or Crayola or whatever. I'm gonna go in here and see if it could be done. I'm pretty sure there's something. I think I saw some things. Yeah, here we go. Use the 6th gen, use Apple Pencil, lightning fast response, supports tilt, no pairing needed. Yeah, it didn't need to be paired. I just powered it right up. So let me see if there's some kind of and the developers. Yeah, see, there's a whole bunch of things here that you could do with this, and here you can use it for something like this. Really nice. Let's get this and put in here. I'm really liking it, folks. And it's a shame that if I want to do this with my new iPad Pro 11, I've got to buy that other $140, the new Apple Pencil. And the Apple Pencils don't go across the board either. That's kind of sad. If you have the new iPad, I'm told that you can't use the older generation Apple Pencil. And if you have and vice versa, you know what I'm saying? So this will be something good, you know, just for a granddaughter or something for them to play with every now and then. But predominantly for me, this is going to come in handy for notes and things like that. So this is good. Now, how about the iPad itself? You know, it's doing a resource, so it's a little sluggish, but this does have the A10 Fusion chip. Now, the iPad itself is definitely thicker like my older iPad. I still have a 9.7 Pro as well, and this feels like that. Actually, let me go to the camera real quick. And this camera only records video in 1080p. So let's go back out here and go to settings and go down to camera. The screen on this feels kind of plasticky or whatever, but you know. So here's the settings for this. You only get 1080p as the highest resolution. And for me, you know, for a tablet, that should be okay. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick video recording of this right here, and then I'll post it up in this video for you. All right, video sample for the new iPad, 1080p, 30 frames per second. Quality looks pretty decent. For what it is, it's pretty good. So there you go, just a quick video sample and a photo and everything. I mean, it's decent, it's good. This is $250. Full cost on this is only $329. So it's you know, for a person who's looking to get into an iPad, Apple products aren't normally sluggish like this, but again, I'm doing a restore, and I can guarantee when I do the follow-up on this, it's just going to be as buttery smooth. It's running the latest operating system. So, you know, for what it is, this would have been a good $300 purchase for you. It's cheaper than the Apple Pencil, has a female input, and it's going to have longer battery life than the Apple Pencil, and it has support right out of the box, no pairing needed. But the only downside is that this only works with this iPad. That's it. It only works with the 6th gen iPad. So Apple came up with a little deal with Logitech and said, hey, we'll let you get some of our money in sales, and we'll let you go ahead and make something that's compatible with this only. So there it is, man. It's your man Jay Will. New iPad, new Logitech Crayola crayon pencil, Apple Pencil setup. It's your man Jay. See you in the next one. Take care.